Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you the best facial moisturizers for different skin types. What are the benefits of moisturizing your skin? It helps you look younger, prevents dryness, saves sensitive skin, repairs skin barrier function, improves hydration of skin, prevents flakiness of skin, prevents dullness, helps as anti-aging, reduce inflammation of skin, makes your skin more elastic, improves collagen, fights against acne, fights against wrinkles. And now let us see the different skin types. Number 1, dry skin. Dry skin means the skin type that produces less sebum than normal skin. As a result of lack of sebum, dry skin lacks the lipids. Dry skin characteristics: dull appearance, redness on cheeks, rough texture, minimal sebaceous secretion, that is less sebum, poor skin barrier function. Oily skin is a result of the overproduction of sebum from sebaceous glands. Sebum is an oily substance made of fats. Sebum isn't all bad, since it helps protect and moisturize your skin and makes your skin healthy. Too much sebum, however, may lead to oily skin, which can lead to clogged pores and acne. This is the main root cause of acne. Oily skin characteristics: shiny appearance, greasy texture, dilated or enlarged pores, overactive sebaceous glands which produce more oil. This can lead to acne. Now, sensitive skin. Sensitive skin is a skin condition in which the skin is prone to itching and irritation and redness. Signs of sensitive skin: damaged skin barrier function. Your skin is easily flushed. You are prone to rashes and bumps and redness on cheeks. Now let's get into the products. Which products you have to use? For dry skin type, use Cetaphil moisturizer. It has shea butter, vitamin B5, that is panthenol. It is very useful for dry skin. Next is Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion. It has colloidal oatmeal. As I said in last videos, colloidal oatmeal is a soothing and helps to repair skin barrier function. It helps for dry skin type. Next is Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream. It contains hyaluronic acid, effectively treats dry skin. Next product is Lactocalamine. These products moisturizes your skin effectively. These products contains best ingredients to fight against your dry skin. It has no harmful chemicals. Now, products for oily skin. Look for the products that are non-comedogenic and oil-free. My suggestions are Clean and Clear Oil-Free Moisturizer, Neutrogena Oil-Free Moisturizer, Himalaya Oil-Free Radiance Gel Cream. Now, what are the products for sensitive skin type? Look for products that gives soothing effects for your skin. Make sure it has non-comedogenic and dermatologically tested. We need to take extra care for sensitive skin. My best suggestions are Aderma Epitheliae AD Deo. It helps to repair your skin barrier and prevents redness and dryness. Next is Physiogel. Physiogel is one of the best products in the market. I highly recommend this product for people with sensitive skin as well as dry skin and acne prone skin. These products contains no fragrances, which is well suited for sensitive skin types as well as dry skin. It has non-comedogenic. It relieves sensitive skin, dry skin, heals the skin irritation as well as repair the skin barrier function. Best tips for moisturizing your face: look for non-comedogenic products. Look only for non-comedogenic. Use twice daily. Make sure your face should be damp while applying any moisturizer for your face. So friends, that's all for this video. Try these tips and keep your skin healthy. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel. My name is SRINIVAS and I thank you so much for watching.